everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be discussing about applications of modulo operator using check codes and check digits. So there are several methods in producing identification numbers which are unique. In the following methods, modular arithmetic is used to produce and verify identification numbers. So these are the following codes that we will be using to show the application of modulo operator. So the first one is the universal product code, also known as UPC. This is mainly used in products sold in department stores and groceries. It consists of barcodes with 12 digits where the last one is the check digit. So ito yung makikita natin, barcode. Itong 2 na to, ito yung hinahanap natin or yung chine-check natin. So we call it the check digits. Okay? So ito yung pagkakahati-hati ng mga code. Yung first digit natin, we call it the number system character. Itong second 5 digits are called the manufacturer code. And then the next 5 digits is what we call the product code. And the last one, sabi ko kanina, we call it the check digit. Now, the second one is we call it International Standard Book Number. So ito yung mga numbers na makikita sa mga libro. We also call it as ISBN. Is used on books which is usually found at the last page of the book. ISBN can be ISBN-10 or ISBN-13, where they use 10 or 13 digits string of number respectively with the last digit as the check digit. So, ganun pa rin, yung last digit is what we call the check digit. So, ito yung 2, we call it the last digit, also the 7. So, next is number 3 and number 4. We have the United States Postal Services or USPS. It is an independent agency of the executive branch of the United States federal government responsible for providing postal services in US. It consists of 11 digits. So ito hindi natin masyadong magagamit to. Number 4 is the credit cards. Ito, madalas tayo makakita ng ganito. It is composed of 16 digits where the last digit is also the check digit. So lahat naman ng last digit nandito, we will call them as check digit. So yan yung example ng credit card natin. So this are the formulas that we can use for this topic. So for the UPC, ito meron tayong formula na D12, meaning yan 12 digits ang meron tayo sa UPC. Ang formula natin ay 10 minus open parenthesis or quantity of 3D1. Itong mga D na yan, we call it or it represents the digit, okay, on a given code. So D1 is the first digit, mumultiply mo sa 3 plus D2, second digit, 3 times D3, third digit, plus D4. Alternate lang yan. May 3 lang yung una, then next wala, sunod wala. Meron, then wala, then meron. Then sa dulo, hanggang makaabot tayo sa 11th digit, and then mod 10. Laging, 10 to. Modulo 10. Okay, kapag naman ISBN, pag alam natin libro, yung code na ginagamit natin, meron tayong D10 equals 11 minus 10D1 plus 9D2. So, start tayo kay 10, then 9, 8, hanggang makaabot kay number 2. So, 10 times D1, meaning the first digit, plus 9D2, plus 8D3, 7D4, 6D5, until 2D9, and then mod 11 or modulo 11. Okay? Next, yung ISBN-13, meron tayong formula na D13, 13 digits kasi, equals 10 minus D1 plus 3D2 plus D3 plus 3D4, D5, 3D6, until 3D12. Okay, mamaya mas maiintindihan niyo kapag nagsusolve na tayo. Then, modulo 10. USPS, we have D11 equals 9 minus D1 plus D2. Ito naman, i-add mo lang lahat ng digits hanggang makarating ka sa 10th digit. Okay? Then, modulo 9 lang. Next, D16 equals, ito naman ginagamit for credit cards because credit cards has 16 digits. So, 10 minus 2D1 plus D2, 2D3. So, sundin lang natin yan hanggang makaabot tayo sa 2D15. Okay? Then, modulo 10. So, we have a note here. Add all the digits, treating the 2-digit numbers as 2 single digits. Okay? So, example number 1 tayo. Find the check digit of the credit card number. So, since credit card to, ito yung number from the credit card. So, we're gonna be using the formula for the credit card check digits. So, ito yung natin, given 5, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2, 3, 8, 9, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1. Then, we need to find out the last digit. So, for us to be able to know the last digit, or we call it the check digit, so we're gonna be using the formula. So, let's solve for it. Let's have this. So, this is the formula. This is now the solution for our example number 1. So, this is the given. Ito yung given natin. This one. So, ang kailangan na nating formula ay ito. D16, this is the formula for the credit card, equals 10 minus 2D1 plus D2 plus 2D3, D4 plus 2D5. Lagi naman plus yan. Plus D6 plus 2D7 plus D8, 2D9 plus D10, 2D11, D12, hanggang makaabot tayo sa 2D15, and then modulo 10. So, let's solve for that. So, D16, copy lang, equals 10, copy lang, constant, and then minus, kinopy natin to, so we have the minus here. Okay? And then, open parenthesis, makikita nyo open parenthesis, diba? Copy nyo lang to, 2D1, meaning 2, copy nyo. Then, yung D1 natin is the first digit. Itong 5. That is the first digit. So, 2 times 5. So, yung dot na yan, meaning times. So, meron natin 2D1. Then, D2 natin, so, wala tayong multiply. Copy lang natin yung second digit. D2 is the second digit, which is 4. So, we have plus 4. And then, plus 2D3 ulit, meron tayong times 2 ulit. Lagay tayo ng 2. And then, D3 natin ay 5 again. Kasi yung third digit natin ay 5. So, we have here 2 times 5. So, ito yun, 2 times 5. Then, plus ulit. Next natin, sundan natin yung formula. Dito na tayo, D4. The fourth digit is 7. This is the fourth digit. And then, next, 2D5 tayo. Another 2. Lagay tayo ng 2. And then, D5 is 6. So, 2 times 6. Then, plus, meron tayong D6, which is 2. So, lagay tayo plus 2. Then, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. Susundin nyo lang to. So, you have this solution. Hanggang makaabot dito sa 2D15. The last term. 2D15 meaning 2. And then, the 15th digit is 1. So, meron tayong 2 times 1 sa dulo. And then, after nyo makuha yung last term, lagay nyo yung modulo 10. So, paano next yung gagawin? So, you have to perform the operation involved. So, lagay nyo yung 10 minus, copy nyo lang yung 10. Okay? Ang isa-solve lang muna natin nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, medyo mahaba-haba to. So, gagamitan nyo lang naman ng calculator para mabilis. So, meron tayong 2 times 5. Meron tayong 10. Tama? Then, plus 4. 1 time 14. Then ito 2 times 5 ulit 10. Then ito 7 plus 7. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Then plus 8 copy. 2 times 9 is 18. Then plus 8. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 and then copy in 3. Then 2 times 4 ulit, that is 8. And then plus 1, then 2 times 1 is 2. Then add nyo lang lahat ng numbers na yan. The value is equal to, ito na. So ito yung pagka nakuha natin, pag pinag-times na natin yung mga nasa loob, then the value would be equal to 67. Kapag sinolve natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, yan, yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis, that is equal to 67. So ang matitira lang yung 10 sa labas, 10 minus. So meron tayong 10 minus 67, and then lagay natin yung modulo 10. So, ngayon, gagamit na tayo ng modulo operator. So, ito muna yung solve natin. 67, ito, modulo 10. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nito? You just have to divide 67 by 10. So, 67 divided by 10. So, how many tens do we have in 67? We all know that. We have 6. Then, there would be a remainder. Ilan yung matitira? There would be a remainder of 7. Okay, so 67 modulo 10, that is equal to 7. Okay, so lagyan natin 7. So 10 minus 7, that is equal to 3. So the last digit or the check digit is 3. This is what we call the check digit. Okay, so that's how you do the check digit using the credit card. So another example, we have here example number 2. Here, find the check digit of the ISBN-13 of a mathematics book. So since ISBN to, so gamit tayo ng libro. So dito, ang ginamit natin ay mathematics book. Ito yung picture niya. So ito yung ISBN number niya. The code 978-621-000823. Dash, meron tayong blanco dito yung X. So, hanapin natin yung last digit using the ISBN formula. So, iba naman yung formula ng gagamitin natin. Gagamit tayo ng ISBN formula. This is the ISBN-13 formula. So, D13 ang ginamit natin. Kasi there are 13 digits. Pag binilang natin to, 13 digits lahat yan. So, next, let's have here now the substitution now. So, we have 10. Copy natin 10. And then minus. D1 natin is the first digit which is 9. So, meron tayong dito 9 plus 3 times 7. Bakit 3 times 7? Because according to the formula, we need to multiply 3 to the second digit. So, 3. Then the second digit is 7. So, 3 times 7. Copy. D3 which is 8. So, plus 8. Then we have 3 times 6 because we have 3 D4. So, 3. Then D4 is the fourth digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth digit. So we have 3 times 6. Then D5, wala siyang imumultiply. So D5 lang, 2. So copy natin 2. And then 3 times 1 because 3 times D6. Ito yung D6 natin. Okay, hanggang makaabot tayo dito sa 3D12. So we have 3. Copy natin 3. Then D12 natin ay ito, yung last digit natin dito, which is 3. So we have 3 times 3. And then copy modulo 10. Then we need to multiply whatever it is inside the parentheses. So itong 3 times 7, multiply natin, that is 21. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. So i-add lang natin lahat yan, maging ganito yan, di ba? And then, pag in-add natin lahat ng nasa loob ng parenthesis, we will get 96. Then, copy natin 10 minus. Itong 10 minus, sa dulo pa natin sa ginagawa yan. So, 10 minus 96 modulo 10. Huwag nyong gagawin na i-minus nyo kaagad yung 10 minus 96. It's magiging negative 86. That's wrong. So, what you need to do first is to get the remainder in this modulo operator. So, 96 modulo 10. So, 96 mod 10, meaning you need to divide 96 by 10. So 96 divided by 10 is equal to 9, di ba? There are 9 tens in 96. So meron tayong remainder na 6. So 9 remainder 6. So ito yung pinakasagot, yung remainder natin. Okay? Kasi 96 divided by 10 is 90, di ba? We can get 9 tenths in 96. So, may matitira lang na 6. So, yun yung matitira, yun yung magiging sagot sa modulo. So, we have 10 minus 6. Kinapi lang yung 10 dito. Then, yung minus 6 is the remainder. Ito yun. Ito yung nakuha. So, the remainder is equal to 6. So, 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. 4 is our check digit. So, that's it. Ito yung x na to, yan yung hinahanap natin. So, the value of that is equal to 4. So, ganun na naman kadali yung paggamit ng mga natin formula for the check codes and check digits. So, babanggitin naman kung ano gagamitin formula. ISBN-13 or kung credit card o kung barcode ng mga products na nabibili sa department store. Okay? So, I hope that you understood our lesson for this video. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.